Our Tuscan stew is based on Ribollita, which evolved in Italy as a hearty meal for farm workers when they came in from the fields. The Firepot version was developed in my home kitchen at a time when travel was restricted and we had to use what we had available nearby. In my case, our family vegetable garden. To make the base, we take white beans, we soak them overnight and then cook them with a mix of freshly chopped vegetables, which I now source from the greengrocer in the village. After an hour in the oven, I then add some cavolo nero and a handful of fresh sourdough, which is delivered by the bakery over the hill. It's a hearty dish that's full of protein, and to me, it always tastes like home.